Sanbonani, welcome to Dundee Battlefields Lodge. We are about to enter a reception here too. This is our reception area. This is our waiting area.
Yes.
Yes, so whenever they're preparing your room, if you came early, you can just wait here and then they come fetch you here when your room is ready. And this is our reception area. This is our reception area. This is where you check in. You can just follow me. You just get here and your paper. And then when you get here, you check in there with the check-in form and your keys, and then there'll be a porter waiting for you to take you into your room once you're ready.
Yeah, you are my room now. You're big lily thina la.
This is our housekeeping manager.
Khona ulala ngisho phezulu. Ama TV achithiwe.
Angakanani. Yabona uma ubuke ibhola la ubuke stadium impela.
Awusivulele lodwa nje room. Ngeke uzivulele. 1000 each.
These are our executive rooms.
Okay.
The whole building, it's a newly built building, so yonke ifurniture yakhona isayintsha, yonke into nje isayintsha la.
Yes.
So room 88 and our executive rooms. I've got a big inside bed. Nice fluffy blankets. Touch it, it's so fluffy.
Hey, my daughter.
Ha.
Nice. Like a king, the gold time.
Now uyafona la.
Yes, you call here.
Uvumelekile njengentatheli ukuza nomuntu wami.
You just press.
Mana ke njengoba kuzobe ngiginqika mahala ngivumelekile ukuza nomuntu wami.
Yeah, I can confirm South Africa ukuthi umnandi lombed.
Yabona nje ngisho for a restaurant, you just press here on a restaurant, uthi restaurant.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi, I'd like to place an order for a prawn bao. Prawn bao? Yes.
She was smell good.
Yeah. Can I cut this? I'm joking. And then when you call, they know your room exactly, and then they'll bring it up to your room. You can order just about anything here, your drinks, everything.
Thank you.
So this room comes with amaslitazi, amagauni, his and hers, the ironing board.
Ayo zithi kwakho yini la? Kwakho zithi la? Ila uzola khona la?
Ngifuna umuntu ozongigomula icathulo.
Lala nazo.
Nawo umhla ka20. Angithi.
Nawo umhla ka20 uzobhukuka kanje. Lana izithi la uzoyipholela bona usubhinqa ithawula ufa igawuni yakho la. Usushaya iphuzu na iTV yakho la. Uyabuka ke ibedroom ozogeza kulona. Into ozomgeza kuyo buka la.
Nento eyinuka kahle.
Izinto eziright. Into eziright bu ningantshontshe njalo namhla. Kodwa phela kuvumeleke isifaka esikhwameni. Kuvumeleke isifaka esikhwameni. Wethu wenza i-order la ngithi uzothatha imoto la.
Elokudla ngicela inhloko.
Uzothatha imoto lana ezogisa le machine kwi-event ikulanda khona la urequestile ufona.
Hayi. Umhlophe njengami.
Awuqhawele sizi.
Ibala kuphela.
Uncle.
Yes.
Ikwami la.
Iwakho la.
Ikwami la izolala nina.
Yeah. Ubhonga abantu bakubhonga mina nje la.
Hayibo, itazimna manje amathawula amagawu. Ayizibuka. Angidla angisukumla ngiyafona ngifuna la. Ngifuna into ngifaka ama order.
Yes.
No, kamnandi. Ismell sakhona, guys. Bukani. Wow. Kuyafana nela.
Siyabhava la.
Salam.
Uyabhava noma siyabhava?
Yeah.
Oh.
Baba lana nalana still futhi usalinde amathawula.
Oh yes.
Uzabhinca la uzasebenzisa.
Yeah.
Kuzokumnandi la.
Kakhulu.
Ngomhla ka-30 uzobe ngihlezi la kulaba khawuthi lawa simfake igonyani.
So opposite. Uvelo nabo bani onayana.
Onayana.
Lungile down. Oh.
Thank you.
Mntakabe nemali.
Buka lesona lakho.
Emhlabeni aginqike into enje.
Buka lesona lakho.
Ayi mntakabe nemali aginqike into enje.
Yes. Yes, I have a problem. My TV has a problem here. Can you please send maintenance?
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Maybe, but I.
Okay. Yes, my TV has a problem here. Can you please send maintenance?
Oh, maybe I'm sure there's nothing going through now.
All right, thank you. I'm joking, Mpile. I'm joking.
Sorry?
I'm joking. Just shooting.
Oh, sorry, because I can't hear.
Okay.
Why? Yeah.
Manake, amanzi aphuze ngale.
Umnyama.
Kuyasenza mawuvula umnyama.
This is our deluxe rooms.
Yo. Can we please go in?
Yes. Works, everything works. Small bar fridge just in case you've got beverage. Got your tea and coffee station here. And you've also got a cell phone here. You can also order a room service from this side. Which then you just press Unke Gasabet. Hello? Yes, can I please order one bottle of champagne? But do we think you get the concept? Yes.
Hayi, phela lento baba. Uthi usitula sisitula ngipasa ngonyawo uyezwa ngithi. Guys. Wow.
Okay.
I promise you
Lungile. Sisedandi sizobona la esizobe silele khona ngaleli langa leliya le Dandi July experience. Siyobe silele la angiqeda kushutha la afuna ngenza inhlelo zokugoduka ngiphansi ehluhluwe kwelakithi kaMnqobokazi. Ah, ne-TV engaka?
Okay.
Ngon-TV.
Not.
Smart TV. Smart or TV zala.
Yoko lokho bangaka la?
Yes, the fireplace because Joba will wind.
Zihle indawo la eminyango. Lungile.